1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Riddler wheels, root beer metallic paint, and a big block 455 underneath the hood that's been beefed up. We're going to start this up at the end of the video, let you hear it run. We'll even take it for a ride, put the camera in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. But first, let's check out this chrome and bright work up front, headlight surrounds, grille. Looking good, and as you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. And take a look at the floor pans of the underside of this car in the still pictures. Also newer exhaust system underneath their headers you're going to see. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riddler 5-spoke wheels, disc brakes up front, radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see the panels appear to be nice and straight. I have not noticed any major nick stings or scratches. There's a few little spots where you might have like a little imperfection in the clear here or there, but overall, nice showing car. Fun one to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Saddle interior in it with a fold-down armrest. Little aftermarket gauge cluster and stereo system. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust. In the trunk, you're going to see there's a couple battery containers, like for when they relocate batteries. Those are a couple storage compartments, just so you know. And check out the still pictures of the trunk. I moved carpeting that is in the way back there. Nice spackled trunk area, finished off nicely. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Speaking of classic cars, sports cars, specialty vehicles, if you like to look at that kind of thing, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. A lot of different things every day get posted, so make sure you check it out. Check out our website. As we take a peek down the driver's side of this car, you can see a nice reflection in the paint. And it sounds as good as it looks, so we're going to fire it up here just shortly. Let you hear it run, and like I said, stick around to the very end of the video, and you'll be able to see what this car goes down the road like. That 455 underneath the hood is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. I did notice the interior is showing some wear. A few spots, it looks like it could be the original interior. Make you aware of that, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Over 100 pictures of this car online. Good sounding stereo, 6x9s in the rear deck. Some door speakers up front. Radio does work, tack works. Here at the aftermarket gauges were working. I also noticed when this car is cold, it seems to help if you give it just a tad bit of gas with the foot feet. It does have electric fan, electric fuel pump. You'll hear both of those running. Obviously, tack is working. Oil pressure, water temp, and transmission temperature gauge. Pioneer aftermarket stereo, and again, did have that working. Song for this engine. Door closes nicely, and listen to this rumble. Like I said, rather healthy, beefed up 455, big block under the hood, and we're going to take a little peek at that right now. All right, hood pop, which reminded me to tell you guys something out there for future reference for our customers and ourselves. The hood release hangs straight down behind the center, so you got to reach up through the bumper and pull the hood release. And then the second one is in its regular spot, but there it is. Edelbrock torque or intake manifold. Again, headers. Looks like electronic ignition. Big 4-barrel sitting on there. Like I said, healthy power plant. This car will get up and go. 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Nice rumble to this car. In the dash we have some odometer gauges. Our turn signals are both working. Large tachometer mounted to that column is working well. Also from the odometer. Excellent performance on the acceleration in this car. Seems like she might have been made for the strip. So the oil pressure is 60 right now. Water temperature over 150. Transmission temperature has not moved. That'll take a little longer to warm up. We have a Pioneer stereo on the dash. That is working well. Speedometer works well. Fuel gauge reads almost full. Windshield wipers do function on this car. Stock looking at interior and stock on the outside as well, from what I can tell. Final bench seat in this car. We have an aftermarket steering wheel. That's clocked slightly to the left. That doesn't affect performance at all. Nice finger grooves on the wood. Brakes are working well. The way this accelerates, I would almost think it might have a torque converter modification. Get a little higher RPM power. Very nice shifts. This car would be quite fast in a straight line. Letting go of the wheel, it does not pull to either side for me. So it seems like a good alignment. Nice ride. Feels like a factory ride from Oldsmobile, which is always nice. Leaning a little towards luxury and yet sport. This being one of the iconic muscle car bodies of a 1970 Oldsmobile. You're going to want to look at all the pictures and read all about this car at Unique